Presenting the 2007 Mercedes-Benz CLS Class. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle's top features include 2-stage unlocking, remote, ABS, 4-wheel, active suspension, air filtration, airbag deactivation, occupant sensing passenger, AMG Sport Package, anti-theft system, alarm, anti-theft system, audio security system, anti-theft system, engine immobilizer and braking assist. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.